Both at the parish and diocesan levels, your donation helps further the presence of God's kingdom. That's especially important with many new regional faith formation and youth ministry directors using innovative models to share the gospel with our young people.
When I was hired 2 years ago, Bishop Kulik had an extraordinary vision for transforming and renewing all of the parishes of his diocese through faith formation. We are truly blessed to have a bishop who has a vision for reaching out for our youth and to those who have drifted away from the church. Through the efforts of the Office of Faith, Family, and Discipleship, and through your generosity, we have been able to place regional directors of faith formation and youth ministry throughout the 4 counties of the Diocese of Greensburg. These individuals are professionally trained to be able to make the faith come alive for our young people. Bishop Kulik has a strong vision of keeping all 78 parishes active and vibrant. However, because of the size of the parishes and our demographics, having a full-time faith formation director or youth minister is not always feasible. But when several parishes join together in partnership, we are able to provide quality faith formation for the adults and youth of our parish communities. In creating such a robust vision, there's also a cost. And through your generosity, the diocese is able to support the parishes in properly financing these professional positions that go to support the growth and development of each parish.
Visit dioceseofgreensburg.org/DLA2025 to make your pledge of support today. Your participation is critical to the ongoing mission of the Church.